Any of y'all need any more time now?
Is everyone good? Okay. So, what did we get for the 7th term or position? And what did we get for the 8th?
15.
8 plus 4.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, 8 plus 4. That's okay.
It's okay. So, is it fist to 4? Is that what it is?
Fist to 4.
So, can I have a fist to 4 for F? Okay. So, next we're going to do the piece of paper I just handed out, the skills sheet. Okay. And I'm going to do the first 2. Yeah. I'm going to do number 1 and 2, and then I'm also going to do number 5 and 6 with y'all, okay? And then 3 and 4 and 7 and 8, I want y'all to do on y'all's own, okay? So, the directions for 1 through 4 says, use words and symbols to describe the value of each term as a function of its position. Then find the value of the 10th term in the sequence. So, our positions are 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then N. And then the value of the terms are 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? And we're asked to find the 10th, correct? So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be 9, and this will be 10. So, what did we do from... How do I word this?
Yeah, like right here with your 5.
Yeah.
What you have to do with that 5 to get a 2.
Yeah.
Mathematically.
Minus 3.
Yeah.
Right through. So let's just try the next one. 6 minus 3, does it work?
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
try the third one. 7 minus 4,
Yes,
or excuse me,
ma'am.
7 minus 3 equals 4. Is that
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay, so always check a couple of them.
So we know that 7 minus 3 is 4, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what's 8 minus 3?
5.
What's 9 minus 3?
6.
So that's our 9th value of term. Oh, yeah. And what's 10 minus 3?
7.
So that's our 10th value of term. So we found the 10th term in the sequence. So let's do number 2.
So this is kind of what
That's weird. Yeah. I was like, how do I word that
Yeah.
without sounding crazy? So now we're doing 2 and number 2, and remember we gotta find the 10th. So the easiest way for me to do this is to finish the table. Until I know the pattern, I have to finish the table. So we have 5. This is N is the position 5, and then we have 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a 9 and a 10. Okay. So what do we have to do to 1 to get 6? Add 6, okay. But what do we have to do to 2 to get 12?
Top 6.
So
Top 6.
what do we have to do to 1 to get 6? Multiply by 6. So we do 1 times 6 equals 6, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What's 2 times 6? What's 3 times 6? What's 4 times 6? What's 5 times 6?
30.
What's 6 times 6?
36.
What's 7 times 6?
42.
What's 8 times 6?
48.
What's 9 times 6? What's 10 times 6? So what's our 10th position term? Okay, cool. Do y'all think y'all can do 3 and 4 on your own?
And go ahead
Okay.
when you're finished ones, this one here wanted the 10th term. Go ahead and circle where you got that.
Okay.
It's not working very good right now.
I have your
Go ahead
good
and
one.
circle those, yeah, circle those
have
on
your
there.
good
It
one.
shows what your answer is. Okay, and above this one, we need to put +3. We added 3 on that one. This one, we multiplied by 6. So be sure you write those above it so you know your pattern. You know your sequence.
Do y'all have it? Do y'all need help? Okay. Do y'all need help?
Remember, if you're adding and subtracting, it's arithmetic sequence. If you're dividing or multiplying, it's geometric sequence. Oops, I made a mistake right here. That's not add 3, that's subtract 3, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I did the same thing. I just went
Yes,
with it.
it's subtract 3 right there. This is a times 6, right? Nobody caught me. If they catch me with my little mistake, I get a ticket for the drawing.
Oh yeah, you told me that.
If they can correct my mistake.
Y'all good?
Yeah, she said you should have rose your hand.
Hannah's not here, right? He's good at catching these.
Does anyone need more time? Okay.
How far did you have a work down to?
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Okay, he's past 6.
Okay. So what I did was just went ahead and finished the table to the 10th space. So can anyone tell me the pattern on number 3?
Wait, number 3?
Mm-hmm.
Add 9.
Add 9, add 5. Okay.
Remember, always work the first couple. Just
Mhm.
extra work.
Okay, so if we added 9 plus 5, what do we get?
14.
Oh wait, let's do the beginning. So 1 plus 9 equals
10.
2 plus 9,
11.
3 plus 9,
12.
4 plus 9,
13.
and we just did 5 plus 9,
14.
6 plus 9,
15.
7 plus 9,
16.
8 plus 9,
17.
17, 9 plus 9,
18.
and what's 10 plus 9?
19.
So what is the 10th term?
19.
So we gotta circle this one. And what did we do to get the 10th term? Add 9. Okay, cool. And so let's do number 4. Can anyone tell me the times 5? Okay, so 1 times 5 equals? 2 times 5 equals?
10.
3 times 5 equals?
15.
4 times 5?
20.
5 times 5?
25.
6 times 5?
30.
7 times 5?
35.
8 times 5?
40.
9 times 5?
45,
10 times 5?
50,
So what's the 10th term?
50,
And what did we do to get it?
times 5.
Times 5. Okay. Okay. So for the next 4, the directions for that is find a rule for each function table. So, okay. So our input is 5, 6, 7, and 8, and x, and the output is 0, 1, 2, and 3. So what do we have to do to 5 to get 0?
Subtract 5.
Subtract 5? Oh, they can't see it. I'm so sorry. Okay, so what did we do from 5?
Subtract 5.
Subtract 5. So 5 minus 5 equals 0. And what did we do to 6 to get 1? Subtract 5. That's a 6, not a 5. What do we have to do to 7 to get 2? So since we've done like since we've done 2 or 3 of them, we know that the rule is going to be subtract 5. So over here, underneath 5, you're just going to put minus 5. Or you can write out subtract 5, whatever you would like to do. And
This x right here is the x minus the 5.
okay, you want to do it up there.
This is your number here.
So x minus 5. We can do that.
Minus 5. That's your function rule.
Okay. And now we're going to do number 6. This is not straight. Okay. What do we have to do to 2 to get 14? We can add 12 or we can times. Okay, cool.
You can't do that because I'm over 2 times 4. Yeah, add 12. Add 12. It's add 12.
Okay, let's try it with the times 7 first. So if we did 2 times 7, we'd have 14, right? But if we did 4 times 7, we'd have what? 28. Okay, cool. So we can't do that one. So we add 12. What's 2 plus 12? What's 4 plus 12? What's 6 plus 12? What's 8 plus 12? And let's say this one's going to be 10. What's 10 plus 12? 22. Okay. So what's the rule? Add 12. So we would do x plus 12.
Right here. So what did you have to do to your x right here?
Mm-hmm.
So that's your function rule. You're not x plus 12 is your function rule.
Yep. And some of them are going to be difficult to where you think it's times 3 or add 3. Like, it's going to be like that sometimes. And so it's best just to work the first 2 both ways to see which one works out. Huh? Yeah. I just didn't write it in, but we did. So you are going to do 7 and 8 by yourselves. And if you need help, like, raise your hand and ask me, because I'm here for y'all. So. Y'all good? Y'all need help? Okay.
I see if we leave this left, but I told her you're in the middle, it's going
Oh.
right, so.
Okay. I'm sorry. Does anyone need more time?
No, girl.
Okay. Just let me know when you are done. Do you want me to give out the homework practice even though we're about to switch? Okay. Does anyone need more time? Okay. So, I need this. So what did y'all get on number 7?
6. 8 and 4.
8 and 4. What's the role?
Use the X.
X minus 4. Does everyone agree? Okay. And what about number 8?
X times 11.
X times 11. So what did y'all get for the fourth or for the 5th term?
55.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, I was thinking we was going to the 10th term.
So you found it? Okay.
No.
Okay, I see that.
Yeah, I understand.
That's fine. But as long as you put 10 there, you have that. That's all. You'll see your times. It's just probably the 8 term here. But if you had the 10 there, you'd be all right. Okay. But,
Okay. So can everyone get out there, since we're finished with the skills page, does anyone have any questions? Okay. Can y'all get out your, this is going to be a really, really quick activity. Can you get out your notebook things? I'm not sure what you call them. Your math journals? Yeah, you can put it up.
okay, voice is off.
Hey, do you have your math journal? Do you have your math journal? Okay. I just didn't know. Yes, go to a blank page, please.
Make sure you're in the math side of the journal.
Alright, so what we're going to be doing is if you're in a group of 4, you're going to work with the person beside you. If you're in a group of 3, you're going to take turns. And if you're in a group of 2, you're just going to work with each other. So I want every single person to create their own function. So your function can look like an example page, like this one, where it's like this, each person. Or it can look like this. Or it can look like just at the very beginning where we just had the numbers. You can do whatever type you want to do. But you have to create your own rule, but you have to make it to where the person that you're working with can figure it out without your help. So everyone's going to create their own function. Y'all 2 are going to switch. Y'all 2 are going to take turns. So like yours is going to go to her, hers is going to go to her, and yours is going to go to his. And then y'all 2 are just going to switch partners. And the same way for y'all 3 right here. Y'all, like yours is going to go to him, his is going to go to hers, and hers is going to go to you. Yeah. And so just create your function however you want to do it. Make it about 7 terms, like 7 positions long, and then trade it. Does that make sense? Does anyone have questions?
10.
You can do 10.
Okay,
You're just basically making a problem where you're making.
Mm-hmm.
okay.